Hello friends, I am here with PPSC economics questions. So it is quick answer session. So first section will comprise of economic concepts and theories. First is question is who is regarded as the father of economics? A. Karl Marx, B. Adam Smith, Alfred Marshall, D. J.M. Keynes. Answer is B. Adam Smith, author of Wealth of Nations, which published in 1776, is considered as the father of modern economics. Question number 2. The concept of invisible hand was introduced by A. Ricardo, Adam Smith, C. Marshall, D. Keynes. Answer is B. Adam Smith. The invisible hand refers to the self-regulating nature of markets in Adam Smith's theory. Question number 3. National income in India is estimated by A. Ministry of Finance, B. Niti Aayog, C. CSO, now NSO, and D. RBI. Answer is C. NSO. The Central Statistical Office CSO estimates national income. Question number 4. GNP is equal to GDP plus A. Depreciation, B. Net income from abroad, C. Indirect taxes, D. Subsidies. Answer is B. That is net income from abroad. GDP is equal to GDP plus net factor income from abroad. Question number 5. Engel's law relates to A. Savings, B. Expenditure on food, C. Money supply, D. Employment. Answer is B. That is expenditure on food. Engel's law states that as income rises, the proportion of income on food declines. Question number 6. Demand curve generally slopes A. upward, B. downward, C. horizontal, D. vertical. Answer is B. Downward. Demand curve slopes downward due to the law of demand, that is inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. Question number 7. The concept of comparative advantage was given by A. Ricardo, B. Smith, C. Marshall, D. Keynes. Answer is A. David Ricardo explained comparative cost advantage in international trade. Question number 8. Marginal utility at the point of maximum total utility is A 0, B 1, C negative, D maximum. Answer is A 0. Total utility is maximum when marginal utility is equal to 0. 9. Quasi-rent is associated with A. Ricardo, B. Keynes, C. Marshall, D. Adam Smith. Answer is C. Alfred Marshall. Alfred Marshall introduced quasi-rent for short-run returns to fixed factors. Question number 10. Liquidity trap is related to Marx, Keynes, Pigou. Options are A. Marx, B. Keynes, C. Pigou, D. Ricardo. Answer is B. Keynes. Keynes explained liquidity trap where monetary policy becomes ineffective at very low interest rates. Now section B, questions from Indian economy. 11. Question number 11. First 5-year plan 1951-56 was based on A. Harrod-Domar model, B. Mahalanobis model, C. Solow model, D. None. Answer is A. Harrod-Domar model. Question number 12. Green revolution in India mainly benefited A. Eastern states, B. Northwestern states, C. Northeast states, D. Tribal region. Answer is B. Northwestern states. Punjab, Haryana and Western UP benefited first. Question number 13. RBI was established in A. 1930, B. 1935, C. 1947, D. 1950. Answer is B. Question number 14. Money supply in India is measured by A. CSO, B. RBI, C. Finance Ministry, D. SEBI. Answer is B. RBI. Question number 15. Which tax is shared by center and states? A. Income tax, B. GST, C. Corporation tax, D. Custom duty. Answer is B. GST. Question number 16. Disguised unemployment is common in A. Agriculture, B. Banking, C. Industry, D. Services. Answer is A. Agriculture. Question number 17. Poverty line in India is determined mainly on the basis of A. Income, B. Consumption expenditure, C. Property, D. Employment. Answer is B. Consumption expenditure. Question number 18. Who presented the People's Plan in 1945? A. Gandhi, B. J. L. Nehru, C. M.N. Roy. D. Subhash Bose. Answer is C. M.N. Roy. Question number 19. Niti Aayog replaced Planning Commission in A. 2012, B. 2015, C. 2017, D. 2019. Answer is B. That is 2015. Question number 20. The term Hindu rate of growth was coined by A. Amartya Sen, B. Raj Krishna, C. Manmohan Singh, D. V.K. R.B. Rao. Answer is B. Raj Krishna. Question number 21. Which sector contributes the largest share in India's GDP 2025? A. Agriculture, B. Industry, C. Services, D. Manufacturing. Answer is C. Services. Question number 22. The largest employment provider in India is A. Industry, B. Agriculture, C. Services, D. Trade. Answer is B. Agriculture. Question number 23. Fiscal deficit refers to A. Revenue deficit minus grants, B. Government expenditure minus revenue receipts, C. Total expenditure minus revenue plus capital receipts, D. None. Answer is C. That is total expenditure minus revenue plus capital receipts. Question number 24. Repo rate is decided by A. RBI Governor, B. Finance Minister, C. Monetary Policy Committee, D. Parliament. Answer is C. Monetary Policy Committee. Question number 25. In 2025, India's forex reserves are around A. $400 billion, $400 billion, B. $500 billion, C. $640 billion, D. $720 billion. Answer is C. That is $640 billion. Question number 26. Operation Flood is related to A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Milk, D. Fish. Answer is C. Milk. Question number 27. MSP is recommended by A. RBI, B. Niti Aayog, C. CACP, D. Finance Ministry. Answer is C. CACP. Question number 28. Disinvestment policy in India started in A. 1981, B. 1991, C. 1999, D. 2005. Answer is B. 1991. Question number 29. GST in India was implemented in A. 2014, B. 2015, C. 2017, D. 2019. Answer is C. 2017. Question number 30. The largest share in India's exports 2025 is A. Petroleum product, B. Agriculture, C. Services, IT, D. Gems and jewelry. Answer is A. Petroleum products. Now section C. Questions from Bihar economy. Question number 31. Main crop of Bihar is A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Maize, D. Pulses. Answer is C. That is maize. Question number 32. Which river valley is called the granary of Bihar? A. Son Valley, B. Gandak Valley, D. C. Kosi Valley, D. Ganga Plain. Answer is D. Ganga Plain. Question number 33. Which mineral is abundant in Bihar? A. Iron ore, B. Mica, C. Bauxite, D. Coal. Answer is B. Mica. Question number 34. NTPC's Kahalgaon project is located in A. Gaya, B. Bhagalpur, C. Patna, D. Purnia. Answer is B. Bhagalpur. Question number 35. Bihar is the largest producer of A. Wheat, B. Maize, C. Pulses, D. Lychee. Answer is D. Lychee. Question number 36. Which sector is the largest contributor to Bihar's GSDP 2025? A. Industry, B. Services, C. Agriculture, D. Mining. Answer is B. That is services. Question number 37. Bihar's Human Development Index rank 2024 among Indian state is A. Top 5, B. Middle, C. Bottom. Answer is C. Bottom. Question number 38. Which irrigation project is called Sorrow of Bihar? A. Kosi project, B. Son project, C. Gandak project, D. None. Answer is A. Kosi project. Question number 39. Nalanda University Revival Project is assisted by A. China, B. Japan, C. USA, D. UK. Answer is B. Japan. Question number 40. Bihar's main industrial hub is A. Patna, B. Bhagalpur, C. Barauni, D. Gaya. Answer is C. Barauni. Section D. Current economic affairs 24-25. Question number 41. India's projected GDP growth rate for 25-26 is projected by IMF is A 5.8%, B 6.5%, C 6.8%, D 7%. Answer is D 7%. Question number 42. In 2025, which state has the highest GDP in India? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Gujarat, D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer is A. Question number 43. Digital India program mainly promotes A. E-literacy, B. Cashless economy, C. Both A and B, D. None. Answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 44. PM Gati Shakti Plan focuses on A. Roads only, B. Education, C. Infrastructure development, D. Agriculture. Answer is C. Infrastructure development. Question number 45. Which Indian economist won Nobel Prize in 1998? A. Manmohan Singh, B. Amartya Sen, C. Jagdish Bhagwati, D. Kaushik Basu. Answer is B. Amartya Sen. Question number 46. Which institution regulates stock market in India? A. RBI, B. SEBI, C. Finance Ministry, D. NSE. Answer is B. That is SEBI. Question number 47. Jan Dhan Yojana is related to A. Insurance, B. Financial inclusion, B. C. Pensions, D. Housing. Answer is B. Financial inclusion. 48. Uday scheme, UDAY scheme is related to A. Banking reforms, B. Power distribution companies, C. Agriculture, D. Road transport. Answer is B. That is power distribution companies. Question number 49. Which tax reform was introduced in 2025 by GST Council? A. New 3-tier slab, B. 2-tier slab, 5% and 18%, C. 1 flat rate, D. None. Answer is B. That is 2-tier slab, 5% and 18%. Last question. India's unemployment rate in 2025, CMIE establishment is around A. 3%, B. 5%, C. 7%, D. 9%. Answer is C. 7%. That's all for today. Thank you. All the best.